Somebody just asked, if you cry in jail or prison, will you get beat up? And I wanted to answer that question in like such a way because I used to be on this team when I was in prison. It was called the Get Smart team, which, have you heard of Scared Straight? Like that program where they take kids and who are misbehaving, they take them into prison, and then like all the other inmates who are in there, like basically tell them all kind of drop in the soap, bad things are going to happen to you if you come to prison, and then the kids are reformed because they don't want that to happen. So the program that I was in was like that, but not like that. Like what we did was just educate. It's like a crime prevention program, right? So anyway, one time we actually went to a prison. Like our speaking engagement was at a prison, but it was like a youth prison. It was boys between the ages of 17 and like 22. And it's kind of like a pre-prison deal. Like they're definitely in prison. They're locked down. But if they catch like a grown-up charge, like a big boy charge, then they'll go to the other prison, which is way worse than the little kind of fun prison camp ish thing that they're at. And so we're out there and we're telling them like why you don't want to go to prison, what prison is really like, and we're just trying to. They seemed sufficiently warned off of prison. They seemed like they didn't want to go. Like they were like, dang, that sounds awful. Except for 2 days later, two of the boys escaped. Like they were running drills outside and they decided just to keep running, and they made it off the prison campus somehow. Those big trash cans where like gas stations have like the big trash can thing out in the back, they both got into one of those, and like separate ones, not even both of them in the same one so they could chat. And they literally sat in those things frozen in fear for 2 days, like just covered in trash and like trash juice and all that smell, and hearing helicopters like whirl around them looking for them, just in abject fear for 2 days. When they finally got busted and they got taken back to the prison, and then they got escape charge, and now they're going to big boy prison. And if they cry in prison, they are definitely going to get beat up.